Mmm.
Drums. Pa may harang si Ramses ah.
Oh. Kiss. Ayaw mo naman. Down. 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 Up. Sit. Down. Oh.
That's so cute, Ramses.
Kiss.
Okay, I'm breading the chicken. The way it is, the way I do it is, as soon as I remove the last batch after about 10-12 minutes, okay, that's the only time I would start breading the next batch. And as soon as I finish breading it, about 5 or 6 pieces, depending on the size. At that point, the oil has already recovered as well. And that's what you need, because if you're gonna bread it in advance and remove the cooked chicken, then put it right away, it's not gonna be good because the oil is not ready. And also, make sure that you put the same parts in each batch. You know, if it's chicken legs, it's chicken legs, it's chicken thighs, or it's chicken thighs. Usually I could also mix chicken thighs and chicken legs, but the bony parts should all go all together because they all have different cooking time. The thick ones should go together and the bony parts should go together as well. You should also refresh your flour, because after a while with wet and dry ingredients it creates lumps. So. I don't want that.